LAZR stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a very short 1 minute video. So first thing that I have to mention is that this thing just stopped blowing up. You know, it just started 30% up. You know, at the time it's like still a supply area, but there's a big approach that I have right now. I mean, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement strips, and I've documented everything. Now just observing linear technologies. The only thing that will make sense for me to start being long on this, you know, is what's this video? It's probably this previous one. But it's gonna be a proper double break shift above those highs. But on the contrary opinion to this, if I see double breaks beneath this low, it's really like it will really depend what we break first. Either the highs here where the full candle close or the lows. But if I see a break beneath the lows, then and only then I'll buy. It's not the same for the long side. Long side is just gonna be a bullish trend, right? But if I see a double break beneath here, it's a clear short for me. Again, it's not financial advice and waiting for my rules to be met. Other than that, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.